California seeing this surge in COVID cases right here in the Bay Area. Infections are up 160% compared to just last month. And Santa Clara's top health official warns the state could be heading into the next wave of the pandemic. And now a new and unique site is opening up where people can test for COVID and get treatment in the same place. KPIX5's Max Darrow is at the College of San Mateo to explain.
This COVID-19 test site at the College of San Mateo is now a test to treat site. So what that means is some people who test positive here will get to go home with prescription COVID-19 antiviral drugs. The one-stop shop test to treat site is the first of its kind in the Bay Area. It's a simple concept. Get tested, wait here for the result, and if it's positive, a nurse and health practitioner will determine if you're eligible for an immediate prescription for treatment, such as Paxlovid.
Sounds like this is even more convenient. So I would imagine people would show up.
Seems like a great idea. I don't know how accurate the home tests are, and so to be able to get results and then also have someone follow up with you is probably really advantageous.
This is a good advancement in healthcare and public health.
Dr. Curtis Chan is the Deputy Health Officer for San Mateo County.
The antiviral Paxlovid is very effective, 90% effective at preventing hospitalizations and deaths if given within the first 5 days of developing symptoms. The people who are eligible for this medication are people who are high risk for progressing to severe disease.
The federal government launched the Test to Treat initiative in March. There are currently 25 pharmacies and clinics within a 50-mile radius of San Francisco that do Test to Treat. More drive-through sites are in the works.
It's going to be a huge game changer.
Dr. Peter Chin Hong is an infectious disease expert who says antiviral treatments will help the community respond to COVID without shutting it down.
So the more that we can have all people have access to it in easy fashion, the better it is, not just for the people who are getting sick, the better it is for all of us, because these people are going to be less likely to transmit it to other folks.
It's important now because we're seeing an increased rise in cases throughout the Bay Area. I think this is a game changer for older adults and those with medical conditions.
On Thursday, there were 100 courses of Paxlovid on hand at this site. By next week, Dr. Chan says there should be 6 sites like this one here at the College of San Mateo throughout the county, and more will pop up in the Bay Area and California as well. In San Mateo, Max Darrow, KPIX 5.